Want to understand how Tabby optimizes your browsing experience? Without further ado, let's dive in together. First of all, Tabby will remove less relevant tabs for you and notify you. You can easily find how many tabs are removed and what they are by clicking Tabby's icon on the upper right of your window. All the removed tabs from the last 72 hours can be found here: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, you name it. Little did you know, you can restore your tabs with all the contents and filters you have input in that page. Let's say you are looking for a hotel by using TripAdvisor. When you restore the page, you can easily find the filters you've set up for the search. Isn't that amazing?